Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to print Facebook Messenger messages. Printing important Facebook Messenger conversations is a good idea to ensure you'll always have a copy, whether it's for a court case or to have as a backup in case those conversation threads get deleted. Regardless of your reason, it is possible to print your Facebook Messenger messages, but it does require jumping through a few hoops. Now let's walk through the steps to print your Facebook Messenger messages. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon along the bottom of the screen. The menu screen appears. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu screen and then tap Settings and Privacy to expand that section. Tap Settings in that list. The Account Settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down to the Your Facebook Information section and then tap Download Your Information. The Download Your Information screen appears. Step 5. Tap Deselect All to remove the checkmark from all of the options for information you can choose to export from Facebook. Then scroll down the screen to find Messages and then tap the radio button to the right of Messages to place a checkmark there. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of this screen. Adjust the date range, format, and media quality options accordingly. I'd recommend leaving them set to the defaults, which is to export all of your data in an HTML format at a high quality. Tap Create File when you're done. You'll receive an email from Facebook letting you know that your request has been received, and then you'll receive another email when your file is ready to download. Step 7. Open a web browser and navigate to facebook.com and log into your account if prompted. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 8. Click the drop-down arrow in the upper right corner of the screen to open a drop-down menu and then click Settings in that menu. The General Account Settings screen is displayed. Step 9. Click Your Facebook Information in the menu on the left side of the screen. The Your Facebook Information window appears on the right side of the screen. Step 10. Click View to the right of Download Your Information. The Download Your Information screen is displayed. Step 11. Click Available Copies to see a list of your available Facebook information downloads you've requested. Click Download next to the information file you want to download. It should say Messages beneath the date. The file containing your Facebook Messenger messages is downloaded to your computer. Step 12. Extract the downloaded zip file to a folder and then open the folder. You'll see a Messages folder and an index file. Click to open the index file, which will open in your default web browser to a Your Information screen. Step 13. Click Your Messages to open a window displaying a list of all of the people you had Facebook Messenger conversations with over the time frame you defined. Step 14. Click the conversation thread you want to open. All of the messages in this Facebook Messenger conversation thread that happened over the time frame you defined will be displayed. From here, you can print this Facebook Messenger conversation thread from your web browser or save it as a PDF. For example, in Google Chrome, you would right-click on the conversation and then click Print to open the Print dialog box. Within that, you can click your destination to choose your printer or print this document to a PDF. Click Print after making your selection. Let me know what your favorite social media platform is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.